When you're buying a home, there are a lot of options that you have to choose from when it comes to what type of mortgage is best for you. So I met with Eirik of Cross Country Mortgage to start hashing through the process. Today we're going to talk about loans specifically for doctors. Hey, it's Jeff here with the Mentor team at Realty Executives at Cooper Spransey, and I'm with Eirik of Cross Country Mortgage. Eirik and I work together a lot. I love sharing clients with him because of communication style, and it's just a great match for a lot of success for our clients. There are a lot of different scenarios that play into what type of mortgage works best for you and what the right situation is for you. And one of those that has, or a group of people that has a really unique situation is doctors, right?
Correct.
Okay, so what is something that you have that's available for physicians to help them through the process?
So Cross Country Mortgage actually has two different programs. Technically we have more than that, but two that are really good for physicians. The best of them is a no money down, no mortgage insurance, no points loan for resident physicians going in, or upcoming resident physicians, or anybody who's been in the practice for 10 years or less. So the advantage, of course, is that you don't have to put a lot down to get it. And it's a nice, cheap way of getting into that mortgage. It's a very niche sort of product.
What is it about physicians that creates challenges in terms of getting a mortgage in the first place?
Yeah, sure. So potentially if you're a resident physician, or going to be a resident physician, the potential issues are that it's going to be a while till you start your job. So all we need is 60 days. You can't close on the mortgage until 60 days before you start your position, but we can allow you to get into that house before you actually start your job, which is a really great thing, and use your future income to do it.
Who exactly, I mean, what does it take to qualify for this program specifically? What are the exact, not the exact qualifications?
Yeah. Who's
eligible for
this? Yes, who's eligible, okay. So anybody with a designation that has MD or OD, which I didn't know was actually a designation until about a week ago, dentists, orthodontists, they all count. Unfortunately, chiropractors do not. They're very specific about that. So if you have a medical degree, more or less, you qualify for it, and nurses don't either, unfortunately. So you have to be a doctor. Also, not both programs, but one of the programs allows us to not have to use your student loan debt. So that one in particular, you do have to make a small down payment. It's 5% down, but it's still really competitive rate. There's still no mortgage insurance. There's still no points to do it.
All right, so doctors, physicians out there looking for a home loan, looking to overcome some of the hurdles that other lenders might not be able to jump over. How do they get in touch with you? What do they do to start the process?
So the best way to start the process is to put in an application. There's a link. We'll put in the link below, as well as my phone number and email. You can give me a call, shoot me an email. We can start the process. The easiest way to do it, though, is to do that application first, and then we can set up a time to meet if you'd like, or just chat over the phone. I don't know of anybody else in town that has this program, so this is super unique. It's a super unique opportunity for physicians in medicine.
All right, fantastic, excellent. Once again, I'm Jeff, and this is Eirik. Thanks for joining us. We'll talk soon. That's funny, actually. All right, awesome. We can end it better than that.